Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 22nd, 2019, and I have a bunch of my tomato seedlings here. Now, I do have these out in the hoop house, and it is heated, and I moved these up to the top rack today. And I will be putting them back on the floor because they want it cooler again tonight, and because the floor is heated, it'll help keep them warmer. So my tomato seedlings are starting to get their true leaves here, and you can see some more over here. I'm still waiting for this one here to come up, but this is the Russian purple tomato, and now the ones that are starting to get their true leaves, I'm going to be feeding them today, and I'm going to show you how I feed them. So one thing you want to make sure is when you feed your plants that your soil is nice and moist, because you don't want to burn the root systems on them. So this soil here is nice and moist, and I take 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I'll have a link down in the description for that, to a gallon of water, and I just go ahead and water the soil of my seedlings with it. My other watering can's elsewhere, so using this, and I'll finish feeding the rest of them then. I'm going to let that soak through. Now, there is an alternate way you can feed these. If you want to feed them organically, that's perfectly fine. You can use a product called Sea Magic. I will have a link down in the description for that. Sea Magic is an organic plant food, and it's made out of seaweed. And I do have really good results with that too. And I have used that already on my seedlings. Another thing that you can use is fish emulsion. Now, I have never used that on my seedlings. My best friend did, and she said you have to be really careful with it so that you don't mix it too strongly. So I will feed these once a week with this mixture. Now, if you're using Sea Magic, you want to feed them every other week. So that's how I feed my tomato seedlings. And one of the reasons why I feed my seedlings is it helps develop a nice, healthy, strong root system on your seedlings when you feed them. Because I use the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix, so there's no plant food in it. And there's nothing to feed the plants as they're growing. So it's really important that you get your plants nutrients that they need, so that they can grow nice, strong, and healthy, and that they can grow nice, strong, and healthy root systems. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!